Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Faith in Farming. This year is of course Colton with Carson here. Today we're working on the John Deere LA125 42-inch mower deck. I've had this mower and tractor for about 10 years now, and the wear on this is starting to show. The vibrations when you mow eventually shake the paint loose, and then water gets in the cracks and it starts to rust. We're back to good metal here. I've worked on some of this. What I've been doing is taking it off, and I ran over here. We have a wire wheel and kind of a buffing type wheel here. And I did these. These were rusty a little bit, so we wire wheeled them, kind of buffed them down a little bit, and repainted them. They look a lot better. And then all the bolts I've been going through and cleaning up. I haven't decided what he's doing yet. He seems to be running the operation. I don't know if that's good or bad. But I cleaned this part. I've gone through these. I was trying to paint these, and my can of paint is no good. It would paint for about 5 minutes, and then it does not paint anymore. So the paint's no good. Just gonna be trying to get this loose paint off. It's pretty bad.
I can do that for you.
Yeah, I know you can. We're gonna try to get all the loose paint off. I got the DeWalt battery powered grinder over there. We'll get it over here, and we'll clean it up and get it ready for paint. Got some other things I want to buff and clean up really quick on here. We'll get it basically rebuilt. I have a bearing that I'll probably replace. The blades are in good shape. I'll show you those once I have it flipped up and we're working on that. Yeah, I didn't want that off. Just leave that there. I'll glue that back on there. It'll probably paint back down. But anyhow, guys, probably going to time-lapse some of this because I got a few hours while it's warm today and I want to get quite a bit of work done. So, anyhow, I hope you enjoy. Alrighty guys, so the wire wheel over here, it works really well. It goes back to where the rust stops, and then it stops taking the paint off. There's some up here. There's a little here. We'll scrape that off.
Oh, I can do that for you.
Yeah, hold on. You got junk up under here still, though. The other thing I'm going to do is I got some steel wool. And this stuff works pretty well on just smoothing out what you're painting over, and it'll help get the rust, what's left of the rust, off of here. And it just smooths it out. It'll make a lot nicer looking paint job when we're all done. So that's the other thing we're gonna do. Okay, I painted that already. Is go steel wool everything that I've ground so far, and we're just gonna see if it makes it look better. So be back to you guys. We will talk to you later, guys, so thanks for watching.